Hi Robuxio traders, welcome to our new market update where we will go over total 3 performance, and on the last month of this price section I will show you what our performance is about, how our all-weather approach is advancing the performance of overall portfolio, and how it is adding stability to the solution. So first of all, let's look at total 3. You can see that it stopped trending at the half of March. We were then basically a month in sideways or range bound market, and last 2-3 days were really crazy. We were in a dip of 20-25%. In fact, the drawdown from the top to the bottom of this correction is about 30%. So it was quite a big correction. Plus, I'm saying correction, but the truth is that I don't know if it will be correction and the market will continue upwards, or if instead of correction we will get into a deeper bear market. Who knows? We never know, and that's why we are trading all-weather approach. And let me show you what it is about. Let me show you it on our different sub portfolios, because you know that we are trading long trend portfolios, short trend portfolios or strategies, mean reversion long strategies, and mean reversion short strategies. There are many traders and investors who say you should trade long only. It means you should only trade strategies that are taking advantage of basically growing markets and trying to catch some part of this move. Yes, it is a solution, but then the overall volatility of the approach is much, much bigger, because look at the performance of our long trend strategies. You can see that this sub portfolio of long only strategies fell pretty heavily, and it's as expected because we were over a month in a market that is basically going sideways, and then we move to big dip or deep correction. And on this correction and also on this sideways market, we are losing a bit of money with our long trend strategies. It's perfectly as expected. And if you want to take advantage of these huge moves, when the market is moving to the long side, when the market is in a bull market, you just have to take this volatility and you have to wait until the market is starting moving to the long side again. The solution is not to get rid of these long-term strategies. The solution is to add different type of strategies. And that's why we have short trend strategies in the portfolio. You can see how they behaved in last 2-3 days. In fact, we were losing some money with our short trend strategies in last 5-6 months. And it's perfectly normal, because in this period we made quite a nice money with these long trend strategies. But what we did here is that we paid our insurance. We are getting slowly into short positions just to know that we are hedged against quick dips, and we are building some short positions or positions that are speculating to the downside. And that's why in a strong long trend we are losing some money, as it happened here. But look at what happens just in 2-3 days if markets are falling heavily as they did in last 3-4 days. We basically made new all-time highs with these trend short strategies, not with the overall portfolio, as you know, but with these trend short strategies. And that's why we have them in the portfolio with long trend strategies. Because if you put them together, you can see that yes, we are losing some money, we are in a drawdown in the portfolio, but the short trend strategies are making quite a big difference between long trend strategies only and long and short strategy portfolio. But of course, we are not finishing here, because you know that we also have mean reversion strategies in the portfolio. And mean reversion strategies have one big advantage, and it is stability of profits. You can see how stable the equity curve of mean reversion only is. And you can also see how it was behaving, the sub-portfolio of mean reversion only strategies, in last 2, 3, 4 days. You can see that we got into a small drawdown, and then the sub-portfolio of mean reversion only strategies made new all-time highs. And this is the reason why we have them in the overall all-weather portfolio, because they are stabilizing our solution. Because look at trend strategies here. These are with long and short strategies already. If you put their mean reversion strats, you can see that yes, again, we are in some drawdown, but the drawdown is much better, is more shallow, and it's less steep, and the drawdown with trend strategies only that is here. And this is the reason why we have so many different approaches in the portfolio. Because of course, long trend strategies are making the most money over the long term. But what we aim for is not just maximizing our profits, but it is also overall stability of our approach. And that's why there are trend strategies and mean reversion strategies in the portfolio. What's also interesting to see is drawdown. Here on the y-axis, you can see the drawdown of long trend strategies only. This is the green curve basically, and Robuxio portfolio drawdown. And you can see how big the difference is. Right now we are in a drawdown of 15% or so, but with long trend strategies only, we would be in a drawdown of almost 30%, so twice as much. Again, you can see the power of portfolio on this example, and this is what our solution is based on. Another thing I wanted to share with you is our V2 dashboard, because right now you can see all your exchanges on one dashboard. So that way you can easily switch between Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, or to look at the overall performance on all three exchanges. Again, you can see here all your open positions on all these exchanges. You can see here all your closed trades on all exchanges, basically everything. Other than that, the dashboard is somehow similar to what you are used to, but there is one big difference, and it is that you can easily add new exchanges if you want to diversify. For example, for those that are on our performance program, or those that are on the subscription program but want to add one more exchange. How to do it? Very simply. Just go to profile and click the button add a new exchange. If you are on a performance program, then it is pretty simple. You have there the button. If you are not, if you are on a subscription, you can have maximum 2 accounts in one time, and you have to buy your second subscription. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask anything, and let's meet in 2 weeks. Have a great day. Bye.